Welcome to a Heiko Machines Limited training video for the Scrubmaster B120R. During this video, you will learn how to ensure the machine is ready for use, how to operate the machine, daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, and troubleshooting guides. Scrubmaster B120R. Working width from 70 cm to 90 cm. Suction width from 95 cm to 110 cm. Efficiency up to 5,800 square meters per hour. Clean water and wastewater tank capacity 120 liters. To illustrate how to prepare the machine for work, this video will cover how to unplug the battery, how to fill the clean water tank, how to use the chemical dosing system, and how to fit brushes and/or cleaning pads. Before you use your machine, ensure that the batteries are charged. Unplug the charger from the power source and place it on the designated pocket. Close battery cover. Open the tank cover, remove the clean water cap and fill the tank with water. Check the water level as you fill the tank. Remember to use the correct chemical for your application. It's important to note that before you use any chemical, ensure that you have thoroughly checked the amount needed and that the chemical is suitable for use on your flooring. All of the relevant information can be found on the labels on the chemical containers. Correctly measure the required quantity of cleaning agent and pour it into the clean water tank. Close the cover. If the machine is equipped with a chemical dosing system, the chemical will be dispensed automatically. Filling can also be done using an automatic filling system that automatically closes the water supply when the tank is full. Turn the key to check that the battery is charged. The battery should be fully charged before use. The Scrubmaster B120R cleans using either brushes or pads. To make an informed decision as to whether to use brushes or pads, you should take into account both the floor type and application. Heiko Machines Limited offer a wide variety of brushes and pads that are suitable for all uses. Our technical team are always happy to advise which is best for your application. To insert a brush or pad holder, open the cover, insert the brush or pad holder under the head, and fasten the tool by pressing it with both hands. Then close the head cover. To illustrate the correct operation of the Scrubmaster B120R, this video covers the importance of sweeping, an overview of the control panel, and how to operate. Before using the Scrubmaster B120R, the floor should be cleaned by removing debris from the surface. Regardless of how you decide to sweep the floor, whether manually or with a machine, this stage is a prerequisite to scrubbing. Scrubmaster B120R Control Panel Overview. There's a key to turn on the machine, a forward speed reduction button, the horn button, an optional warning light and signal, an optional working light, an optional tool switch on, an optional silence button, boost function on-off switch, additional brush pressure on-off switch, the brushes work on-off switch, the squeegees work on-off switch, the water dispensing control button, the water flow on-off switch, the green button that turns on and off the brushes and squeegees, an optional chemical dosing system button, a vehicle control switch to change the direction of driving, gas pedal, brake pedal. To start the machine, turn the key. The control panel will display the battery status. Pressing the green button will start the brushes and squeegees working. Determine the direction of working using the buttons on the panel and depress the driving pedal. When driving backwards, the cleaning head and squeegee will raise automatically. Before you start cleaning, you should plan your route. Ideally, you should avoid narrow turns and driving over the same area of flooring. You should always try and keep a 10% overlap on your cleaning route. This will avoid leaving marks. The Scrubmaster B120R is equipped with bumpers on the brush head and suction unit, which means you can work close to walls in a safe manner. To illustrate daily maintenance, this section of the video will cover how to empty the dirty water tank, how to clean the filter, how to check the tank seal, how to clean and notice wear and tear on squeegees, how to clean brushes and pads, and how to charge the batteries. When you're in the designated cleaning bay, disconnect the dirty water hose located on the right-hand side of the machine. Rinse the tank out. Remove the filter and rinse thoroughly. Rinse the tank out once again. Clean the tank seal and check that it is not damaged. Clean any visible dirt from the machine. To reverse or to replace the squeegee blade, disconnect the suction hose and loosen yellow caps which hold the squeegee assembly in place. Then simply remove the squeegee assembly. Rinse the panel thoroughly under running water to remove any debris inside and on the squeegee. Check the condition of the squeegee. If the squeegee blade is worn on one side, then reverse it. When the squeegee is beyond use on both sides or has cuts and chips in it, then please make sure you replace it. To reverse or replace the squeegee blade, open the securing lock and clamps. Slide out the rubber section. Reverse the squeegee or replace with a new one by placing on the hooks. Fasten the clamps and the safety lock. Screw the yellow fixing nuts. Replace the suction panel. Screw the caps in place and connect the suction hose. Open the head cover and press the brush release button with your foot. Clean the pad and brushes after every use by running them under water. This prevents the buildup of dirt and helps to prolong the working life. When you finish cleaning, always connect the machine charger to the power source to charge the battery and open the wastewater tank cover. When charging starts, a light will illuminate next to the control display. To illustrate weekly maintenance, this section of the video covers how to empty the dirty water tank, how to clean the dirty water filter, how to empty the clean water tank, how to clean the clean water filter, how to clean and notice wear and tear on squeegees, how to clean brushes and pads, how to clean the machine, how to top up the battery electrolyte. When emptying the wastewater tank, follow the instructions from daily maintenance instructions. Similarly, follow those previous instructions given for cleaning the wastewater tank filter. Empty the clean water tank by unscrewing the water drain nut with the special key supplied with the machine. Loosen the clean water filter. Take it out from the securing cap and then rinse with clean water. Put the filter back in its correct place. Follow the same principles mentioned before when cleaning and checking for wear and tear on squeegees. When cleaning a brush or pad with water, follow the instructions contained in the daily maintenance section. Wash the machine and all of its parts regularly and thoroughly. Keeping the machine cleaned and well maintained will ensure a long life and the best possible levels of cleaning for your machine. If the machine is equipped with acid batteries, they require a weekly filling of the electrolyte level. Open the lid with the seat to reveal the batteries. Make sure you wear protective gloves. Open the battery cover, fill up the battery's electrolyte with deionized water, then close the lid. Topping up the electrolyte level can also be carried out using the Aquamatic system, following the user manual provided. The next section in this video shows how to carry out troubleshooting the most frequent problems, including the machine does not turn on, the machine stops working, the machine does not collect water, the machine is not cleaning floors thoroughly, and there's too much foam. If the machine does not turn on when the key is turned, check that the battery is charged. When you leave the seat while driving, the machine will stop working. Sit back and start working again. If the machine does not collect water, the suction hose, dirty water tank or drain pipe may be blocked or damaged. It could also be due to the dirty water tank cover not being closed properly. Disconnect the suction hose from the squeegee and check that when you have closed the inlet, adequate suction is produced. Disconnect the suction hose from the tank and check that when you have closed the inlet, adequate suction is produced. If the machine fails to clean the floors correctly, check the pads and brushes are clean. Remove brushes or pads holders. If the pad or brush is dirty, clean with water. Please remember that Heiko pads are reversible. Too much foam is a result of using incorrect proportions of cleaning agent or using a cleaning agent which is not suitable for use in such machines. So, always check this before cleaning commences. Empty the clean water tank. Add the solution again, paying close attention to the correct concentration. Following these recommendations will ensure trouble-free and effective work with Scrubmaster B120R machines. All information not included in the training video can be found in the user manual.